In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pay links in Wix. If you've ever needed a quick, no-fuss way to accept a one-time payment without setting up a full checkout flow, pay links are perfect. They're simple URLs you can share in an email, a message, or on social, and when someone clicks, they're taken straight to a secure payment page tied to your site. Start on your site's dashboard. From here, look for the section labeled Getting Paid. This area centralizes everything related to transactions on your site, so it's the natural starting point for creating a payment link. Opening it helps you keep all your payment tools in one place and make sure the Pay Links feature is connected to your site's existing settings. Inside Getting Paid, go to Pay Links. This is where all your links live, and it's where you'll manage them going forward. You'll see options to create new links and, later, track existing ones. Keeping them organized here means you can easily revisit, reuse, or review performance without hunting around different menus. Now, click Create Link. This begins a simple guided setup. The process is streamlined, so you can move from idea to checkout link in just a minute or two. You'll be asked to select either custom amount or catalog item. Choose custom amount when you need flexibility. Maybe you're collecting a deposit, a tip, or a variable service fee. Choose catalog item if the payment is for a specific product or service you already have in your site's collection. Using a catalog item keeps the link aligned with your product details, pricing, and any pre-configured settings you've already set up. Next, enter the custom amount or select the item from your collection. If you're typing an amount, double-check the currency and the total so it matches what you expect to collect. If you're selecting an item, confirm you picked the correct one, especially if you have similar products with different prices. Now enter the details. This is your chance to make the link feel clear and professional. Add a title your payer will recognize, a short description for context, and any helpful notes like what the payment covers or expected timelines. Clean, accurate details, reduce questions later, and help buyers feel confident at checkout. Finally, select Create Pay Link, and there you go. Wix will generate your link instantly, so it's ready to use. You can always return to the Pay Links section to review or manage it as needed. That's all. With just a few clicks, you've created a clean, dependable way to accept payments through Wix, tailored to either a fixed product or a flexible amount.